Hey, so it's time for a quick workout tip of the day from Shanghai, and I continue where I left from the last video. So if you didn't see the last quick video, I suggested you to look at it, but it's about the progression and how to make progression when you are training. And the easiest way, even if you don't have a program, like I said in the last video, is to keep the same movements in your workouts for 1 to 3 months. But when you actually work out, you should put every set to your notebook in your phone or anywhere you want, but put every set to your notebook. So for example, if you do bench press, it's the easiest, and you do with 100 kilos, you do 10 reps, then second set is 9 reps, then the third set is 8 reps. Then in the next week, you just add 1 rep to each set. So you do 11 reps, 10 reps and 9 reps. And this way, increase the reps 4 to 8 weeks. So try to increase the reps every week. And when you cannot increase the weights anymore, then you take a 1 week deload. Deload is also very important because usually after deload, you are a little bit stronger. And as you know, if you want to make progress, it's important to be stronger every week and being able to do more every week. So yeah, then you just take a deload and you can keep working after that. So yeah, anyways, try to increase 1 rep each week or by 1.25 kilos to 2.5 kilos each week. And then when you can't increase anymore, take a deload. And don't be afraid of increasing the weight only 2.5 kilos. I see many people are increasing the weight 5 to 10 kilos each set. But think about it. If you increase the weight 2.5 kilos, in 10 weeks, you have increased it to 25 kilos. In a year, yeah, it's a lot of weight in the year. And I think not many people can do that, especially if the movement is something like bench press. If the movement is something like leg press or some other movement like that, then of course it's easy to do that. But yeah, anyways, that was the tip of the day, and see you next time.